Hi, my name is Elna from elnacain.com, and for today, I'm going to show you how we're going to use the Writer's Work document editor. Once you go into Writer's Work, which is a budget-friendly job board, as well as a task manager, has some great university stuff, some courses and things. We're university right here. But we're going to talk about the document editor. In order to find that, what you can do is go up here to plus, and you're going to add a document. And this is where you can start a document. Now, you can write documents for your clients. You can write documents. This is sort of as the back end for some ongoing tasks and things you want to write about, because you can publish these on Medium, or if you have a WordPress account, you can publish them there. Not a WordPress.org, but a WordPress.com account. You can publish what you write here in Writer's Work there. So I think it's really cool. Instead of working in Medium, you can work in Writer's Work for your client pieces, for your Medium posts. Even if you have a free WordPress account, you can do all your WordPress blog posts in here, which is kind of cool. So I'm just going to walk you through how to use this editor. You can put your title up here, what you're going to talk about. So let's just do something very digital markety. In my niche. I can add images here, right here, just by clicking. It will bring up pixels, I think, or Unsplash. It brings up Unsplash, and then you can type in what you want. So you can type in business and then find something here. So use that. So the only thing with the editor here in Writer's Work is that you can't resize it, but it's optimized to what you have in your content. And you can attribute it or not. With Unsplash and Pexels, you don't have to. So I have my title right here, and then I have my picture, and then I would write my content. As soon as I bring up my cursor, I'm just gonna press enter so you can see at the top here. It brings up these things. So you can add more images, you can add a video, and then you can add links as well as a button. And you can add bullets and things like that. So I'm just gonna write some dummy copy so you can see how this all works. Right, so I just have a couple things here. So if I wanted to add a bullet list, I would just do this, and then whatever those three things are is a website, email, and social. No, let's do podcast. Make it a little bit more unique. So I have something like that. Is if I want to do a bullet list, I can, if I want to add like an editor, I can add my editor here. So I just click on the button up on top. So it shows here I have 2 words that are weak. So I would change that. And that I write in a 5th grade level, which is perfect because, you want your writing to be between 4th to 8th grade level, especially if I'm writing about like complex things about lead generation tactics, B2B companies, the industry, and things like that. If I'm going to be adding stats and stuff. Now, some things to note, if you want to revise these things, move, maybe I change that again so I change this to YouTube. If I go out, I can go back here. And then I can go to revision history, and I can go and access what I had here. So let's apply that. It's already applied, which is great. And I can go back here and it has my latest history here, right? So you can revise certain things and have a history, but if you lose your document, if you delete it, you can't get that back, right? Just unable to do something like that. So if I wanted to add a video, I'll just go here and grab a video from my thing. So if I go to youtube.com, if I decide to add this video, I can just go like that, and then it'll have it here. All right, so add the video just like that if I wanted to. If you're done with your content piece, there are several things you can do. If you click on the 3 dots up here, you can publish this right away to Medium. So right here, or to your WordPress account, as I was saying, which is kind of cool. Or you can download it as a Microsoft Word doc, Adobe PDF, or Markdown. Most clients want a Microsoft Word document or a Google Doc document. So it's very easy to download this either as a Microsoft Word and then upload to Google Docs, or just copy it from here and go to Google Docs. If that's where your client is, I wouldn't write it in Writer's Work anymore. I would just write it on Google Docs. But I think it's just easy to have this platform, and then I can just download it as a Microsoft Word doc. I can share it if I want. If I open this up, I can get the link for that. And those are the ways you can publish your content here on Writer's Work and using the editor here. So if you just go back here, these are the pieces of content that I have under Writer's Work. And so it just keeps them handy, and it keeps them from when I've had them last. If you're interested in using Writer's Work, I do have another video that walks you through the entire platform, so make sure to watch that. And I do have a link, a special link for you to grab Writer's Work. It's a budget-friendly job board and task manager. Just grab the link in the description below. All right, and enjoy using Writer's Work.